peeps, hello family, what's popping? Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, I much love that you'll be showing me. Kindly like, share, comment. Yeah, so today I've just bought something nice, something about to up my content creation. Yeah, so today I've just bought a video making kit. Yeah, I bought a video making kit, and I hope this is going to up my content creation journey. So let's unbox and assemble. Yeah, so this is my video making kit. Yeah, my content is about to shoot. Let's assemble these. So as you can see the front, let's assemble something like this. Yeah, so these are what is inside. We have the LED lights, we have the microphone, tripod stand, phone holder, a cable to connect the microphone to your device. Yeah, so let's see how we are going to assemble it. Stay tuned. So first, we'll start by this. This is the tripod stand. Use this to adjust it. We adjusted it to this level. These are some of this. So this is the stand. Then this phone holder. Put the phone holder here. The phone holder. Okay, after that you connect the LED light. This LED light uses battery. As you can see, yeah, the favorite batteries. I'll just put the batteries. This is the LED light. Content is about to hit the milestone. So you fix this here. First, you adjust it so that a space is left that will be fixed on here. So you fix it here, and then you tie. You adjust, you adjust downwards so that the light is attached to the phone holder. Stable, as you can see. And then now you attach the microphone. Before touching the microphone, you adjust it to leave a space so that it can easily join this. And then you tie it downwards. You tie it downwards, yeah, as you can see. Tie it downwards to make it stable. Tie it downwards. Yeah. No, so you have to tie it in this manner. Yeah. Not yet. Let me just figure out what to do. Yeah, so first I've adjusted it in this manner. Put it here. Just forgot, you put the cable, you attach the cable to the microphone. This is the cable. Here. Okay, here. And then the cable will be attached to the phone. I didn't know you can vlog so well. You can now vlog so well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Woo-hoo.